Hey everyone, did you know a single capsicum packs more vitamin C than an orange? This humble vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse with many health benefits. Today we're diving into the incredible world of capsicum. Learn how this versatile veggie can supercharge your health. If you're ready to unlock the power of capsicum, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this.
Let's kick things off with a bang. Capsicum contains capsaicin, which gives it that signature heat. Capsaicin temporarily boosts metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even after your meal. Think of it as a natural way to nudge your metabolism. Who knew a little spice could do so much?
Let's talk about antioxidants. These compounds protect your cells from damage by free radicals, which contribute to aging and disease. Capsicum is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, and carotenoids. Studies show these antioxidants have anti-inflammatory effects and may protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer.
A strong immune system is your body's best defense against infections. Capsicum can give your immune system a boost. The high vitamin C content in capsicum stimulates the production of white blood cells, the warriors fighting off infections and keeping you healthy.
We all know carrots are good for our eyes, but did you know capsicum supports eye health too? Capsicum contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants concentrated in the macula. These can help protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults.
Trying to shed a few pounds? Capsicum might be your new best friend. Capsaicin, that metabolism-boosting compound, may also help suppress appetite and reduce calorie intake, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan and reach your weight loss goals.
Inflammation is part of your body's healing process, but chronic inflammation can cause health problems. The antioxidants in capsicum, especially capsaicin, have anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests capsaicin may help reduce pain and inflammation from arthritis, muscle soreness, and some nerve pain.
A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. Capsicum supports digestion by stimulating digestive juices and enzymes, improving nutrient absorption. However, if you have a sensitive stomach, consume capsicum in moderation, as it can cause heartburn or indigestion.
Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. The good news is that a healthy lifestyle, including a nutritious diet, can make a big difference. Capsicum may help promote heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing the risk of blood clots. Capsaicin in capsicum acts as a vasodilator, helping relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure.
Maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial for health, especially for diabetics or those at risk. Some studies suggest capsaicin may improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body use insulin more effectively. However, more research is needed to fully understand capsicum's role in blood sugar control.
We've touched on the pain-relieving properties of capsaicin. Capsicum creams and patches can relieve pain from arthritis, shingles, and diabetic neuropathy by interfering with pain signals from nerves to the brain.
Wow, we've covered a lot today. From boosting metabolism to supporting heart health, the benefits of capsicum are remarkable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MedVista for more health information. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos on healthy eating, nutrition, and wellness. See you in the next one.